Hey you guys, hey YouTube, this is Big Head, and it's freaking pouring out here, the monsoons are here, and it's wet, really, it's like pouring, so cool. Here, 1 second. It's amazingly cool, and there's thunders and lightning, and what I can feel, I always say, did you see that lightning, and did you hear that, no. Did you see that thunder? No. Yeah, did you see the thunder? And thunder is the sound. So, yeah. As you pretty much see, it's lit. Well, not really. Whoa, you heard that? That's my little brother. If you see him, say hi. Come on. Where's my lightning? It's so cool. And it's like warm rain, so it's like amazing. Yeah. I love the rain, especially in the summer, because it cools the air. Yeah. I just hope not to drop the camera, because it's not going to be good. No good, no good. Okay, well I'm gonna go, so peace out.